Malaysia reported 3,000 new COVID-19 cases today, its highest daily number ever. This comes as authorities mull tighter movement controls to curb the pandemic. Melissa Go with more from Kuala Lumpur.
With record-breaking number in new cases being reported the past weeks, Malaysia's Health Director General is making a strong case for the reinstatement of Movement Control Order or MCO that saw schools and many economic and social activities being suspended in March last year. This after active cases in the country surpassed 24,000, taxing the public healthcare system to the max. Hospital beds, including those in the temporary quarantine centres, are mostly taken up. No more than 120 patients are now in intensive care unit. The health authorities have allowed patients with mild symptoms to recover from home. The third wave that was unleashed after Sabah state election last September has triggered a surge in community spread. Hundreds of clusters have emerged from detention centres to dormitories, workplaces to malls and gyms. Health DG Dr. Nur Hisham has called for some sort of circuit breaker. In states, they're seeing a spike in cases, including in the capital, Kuala Lumpur and Selangor.
But we also need to look into our logistics in terms of human resource to manage the patient. But more importantly is to control. We need a circuit breaker to control, to bring down the cases from 2,000 maybe down to 200 before we can actually manage the whole situation better.
Malaysians are awaiting details on the rollout of vaccination, with the first batch of vaccines from Pfizer-BioNTech scheduled to arrive in February. The country plans to secure enough vaccines, including from Russia and China, to vaccinate 80% of its population of more than 32 million. Now, vaccination is free for its people, but it's voluntary, and only those 18 and above can be vaccinated. The government is also deciding whether to make the vaccines available to more than 3 million foreign workers in the country.
We need to vaccinate the foreign workers to make sure that they are safe and to make sure that we are also safe. The more people you vaccinate, the safer you are.
And meanwhile, schools that are scheduled to reopen later this month amid a raging pandemic has sparked public concerns.
Student dia rapat-rapat tau. Bila dia kawan apa semua, dia mesti nak kawan dia, makan dengan kawan dia. So kita tak sure kawan dia tu ada positif or not.
The Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin is expected to chair a National Security Council meeting soon to decide on the way forward to rein in a worsening pandemic. Melissa Go, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.